SB19 Dam in an unexpected event, surprising but satisfying. We have heard many SB19 songs in school graduations like Mapa, Go Up, and Salamat, but we have never expected Dam. Dam has been used in many dance competitions and performances locally and internationally, pero sino mag-aakala na gagamitin itong celebratory song sa school graduations?